Mr. Chairman, His Eminence, our ulama, representative of the Office of the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, high-ranking government officials, masu martaba sarakan gargajiya, magajiyoyi, nimen, namen, members of the diplomatic community, special guests, media, all other invitees present. Today marks World Hausa Day, a day set aside to celebrate Hausa people and their traditions, including their food, their music, art, chieftaincy, clothing, language, among others. One unique quality of the Hausa man is his jealous guarding of his culture and religion. He went on to create Zongo. Zongo community became the grandmother who sheltered, clothed, fed, and raised everybody else. The Zongo, although created by the houses, serve as a country of different ethnicities. In spite of the varying and cosmopolitan nature of the Zongo, it still keeps certain traits that are crucial if harnessed for the socio-political and economic development of our dear nation Ghana. The current government has made his significant strides in the recognition and catering to this unique group called the Zongo community. However, a lot more needs to be done to hasten their development to be par with national average. Hausa Youth Ghana, with its stakeholders being chiefs, traditional leaders, queen mothers, youth chiefs, and youth students, etc., is here to facilitate the much-needed infrastructural and human resource needs of the large Zongo communities. To our chiefs, we acknowledge the important roles you are playing in the communities. We believe you can leverage on your positions to draw in more through other channels such as diplomacy, cooperation with corporate entities for social responsibility projects, joint collaboration with state institutions like the police and the National Investigation Bureau to weed out badness in our society. We believe you can rightfully claim our fair share of the national cake when through concerted effort galvanize your membership into a more recognizable and active player in the body politic of Ghana. The National House of Chiefs offers such opportunity. Our theme this year is promoting peaceful coexistence pre, during, and post-elections 2024. The role of Zongo chiefs, Magajoyi, and youth leaders serves as a call to action to our traditional leaders. Recently, we gathered for a workshop where we emphasized the crucial role we play in maintaining peace and driving development. We will no longer be silenced or marginalized. Our dear Zongo chiefs, we urge you to prioritize our community's needs and fight for our rights. When politicians come seeking votes, remind them of our demands. Development in our communities, provide access to scholarships for higher education, ensure quality health care, give us a seat at the decision-making table, among others. We refuse to be victims of political manipulation. We refuse to be used as mere voting blocks. Let politicians know we will not be silenced. It's time to assert our value and demand respect. We will work together to ensure our voices are heard and our rights are protected. Our ulama have a huge responsibility at setting the tone for unity and cohesion and a role in directing the energies of the youth in seeking wealth in both on this earth and hereafter. The need for skills and other training in making our ulama more work-ready is paramount. Through collaboration between the Office of the National Chief Imam and other imams, chiefs, opinion leaders, we should lead the charge for initiating our own homegrown scholarship schemes to cater for health, education, skills training, and housing. Our queen mothers. Our queen mothers are doing marvelous in ensuring that their influence is well felt across the women folk by drumming home their education and entrepreneurship mantra to our mothers and sisters. We are seeing an environment in the participation and support of girl children to both Islamic and secular education. We still want to see a lot more effort in including the boy child into your programs as well, as the scourge of gambling and betting is taking a chunk of the productive lives of our young men. You have noted that we are losing our traditions, and thus the need to reawake the love, our language and culture to keep our unique identities. Through affirmative action, we expect a radical approach to bridging the educational gap through scholarships of Zongo indigenes for science, technology, engineering and mathematics, law, economics, etc. We appreciate government efforts, and like the proverbial Oliver Twist, we want more. We want to be able to produce patriotic and productive Zongo citizens that can serve the nation when called to duty rather than not find any when opportunity avails itself. Our doors are open for any collaboration that seeks to empower Zongo youth in all spheres of life, be it education, skills acquisition, and entrepreneurship, exchange programs, sensitization and information on available government interventions and opportunities. The issue of citizenship is still a headliner for many Zongo indigenes. Sensitization of the requirements for citizenship needs to be well expressed and articulated as not ethnic rights, but a constitutional one. We are working together with youth groups to drive small and micro businesses that form the engine of growth. Through reading clubs like Success Book Club, we are looking to widen accessibility of reading materials for junior high schools and Islamic schools. Having witnessed superb cultural display, we hope to work with the tourism ministry to include our festivals into the yearly calendar. We should also partner with Ghana Export Promotion Authority to brand and market Hausa and Zongo foods. We remain resolute in using our youth to be agents of unity and peace building, and therefore encourage interchieftaincy dialogue, interfaith and intrafaith conversations. We believe we can do better with tolerance and acceptance of divergent views and opinions without it degenerating into unwanted consequences. Finally, to our colleague youth, be responsible for your ultimate success both here and in the hereafter. Be committed to daily improvement and growth seeking to add value through spirituality, education, mental and physical exercises, mentorship and digital skill learning. With these, you can be the generation that stood and redirected the course of Hausa and Zongo youth. The sky is the limit for the youth that stands on the shoulders of giants. In conclusion, as we celebrate World Hausa Day 2024, we are proud to reflect on our achievements. We collaborated with Zongo Secretariat to support Arabic instructors in various makarantus. We facilitated free U.S. diversity visa lottery registration in 7 Zongo communities. Donated to the Kosovo Dam spillage victims with the support of Masaraton, Hausawa, Ankara, and individuals. We organized a workshop for traditional leaders and youth groups to prepare for elections 2024 and many more. We are committed to empowering our communities and promoting peaceful coexistence. Join us in celebrating our achievements and look forward to even greater impact. Together, let's build a brighter future for all. Thank you, and may Allah bless our endeavors. Thank you very much.
Masha Allah, mun gode kwarai sosai Hajiya Zaliya Kasim da ta zo wato
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.